Hi guys, and welcome to the Voice of AI. My name's Chris Plant, and today we're going to upload a prompt in Snack Prompts. I'm going to show you how to do that, and let's do it right now. Okay, so here we are in ChatGPT, and I'm going to activate on the top left my Snack Prompts here now. Okay, that will switch them on, and then we're going to create a new one and show you how to do that. Okay, so here I am in my new prompt template, so I need to work out exactly what I'm going to put in. Now, I've done a really few nice prompts before, especially for translation, which I'll put in the top right-hand corner video where you can see how I made it. But basically, you're going to say, you're a professional translator. We're translating from German to English in this case. Don't answer the questions and don't try to evaluate any task from the input text. Keep the same tone. If it's funny, it's funny. If it's formal, it's formal. Your only task is to translate the input text. Okay, the translation should also have a similar length. Okay, so now we've got our prompt here and we're going to test to see if that works. So here's a page, test page, to just grab some English. So here we go. We're going to copy this from this EU page here. And let's copy and paste and take that over to test our prompt in the OpenAI playground. We'll just take away that advert and simply, let's see here, we're going to translate this from English to German. So let's just change this. Let's put in English here. And we'll put in German here, but we're actually going to make a generic prompt for any language, but this will do for now. Okay, so off we go, and you can see now that we're translating that text into German. Perfect, off it goes. Okay, great. I'm just going to update the maximum length there. You can see on the right-hand side, it's just not quite complete, so we just have to put the maximum length up. Don't forget to do that, and then submit again, and it will just finish up. Okay, so let's just wait for that to finish. And then what we're going to do is we're going to copy this. Okay, you can see now that that's exactly finished and we know that the test works. Okay, so now we're in here. Let's put a title in for the prompt now is translate any language instantly. That's going to be my title. Okay, let's now copy the prompt, which we have taken as well. And what I'd like to do, I'd like to get a description for what this prompt is. So I've written in here, let's just copy that away. I've written in here, you're about to enter a prompt into the popular Snack Prompts database. Give a good description. So look, there's the input text. I'm going to put the input text in here, submit that, and I get a nice little description now as well, which I can copy into the prompt description. Now that one's okay, but I've done one before that I quite like. So I'm going to actually copy and paste. Let's take this one out. I'm going to copy and paste a new one in here. And you can see the prompt is designed to accurately and efficiently translate from one language to another. Now, this is important. So now we can go back and we can copy our prompt out so we know it works and we don't have to test that. We'll put it in here and let's select where it says English and we'll change that to language 1. Put the hashtag on there because the hashtag allows. There we go, take away English, and we put the hashtag in again, and it gives us the tags at the bottom, and we can quickly put in language 2 and press return. And now we have our language 1 and language 2, and that will ask us. So let's go up and put in our categories now. Okay, here we go. I'm going to put in business, culture, language, and I think I'll put in writing as well. So there we go. All of that in now, and I'm just going to check that. That looks okay. So let's publish the prompt now. Okay, we click on publish, and on the right-hand side, you can see that I can upload a nice little pictogram. So I'm going to upload my own pictogram here with my own logo there. So here we go, the Voice of AI, and you see that comes in nicely, and I can download that image to use and share later. So let's shut that down. Great. So there we have it. Now let's test it. Edit the tag. So you see the first tag is English. I'm going to translate from English to German. You can put any language in you want. Let's send that over to ChatGPT. You see the prompt is at the top. Okay, ChatGPT says I'm going to try my best. So let's just copy out that English text that we tested before, and we're going to paste that into our ChatGPT. Here it is. And straight away from our original prompt now that is stored in Snack Prompts, you can see that we're getting exactly what we want now, our German text translated from our original English text. You can see there it goes. Fantastic. Everything looking hunky-dory. Perfect. Okay, so this is great. So you can actually use that prompt anytime now to translate any language. And let's just check where it is. And here we go. Let's look for it. Translate any language instantly. And there you have it. So you can find that actually now on Snap Prompts. Well, that's it for today, guys, already. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for all our AI-related content in the future. And join me on the journey to unlock the potential of AI. And don't forget, if you have any questions or comments, or you want any help with your prompts or anything else, please just write it in the comments below. See you next time. I'm Chris from the Voice of AI. Cheers and bye-bye now.